A lot of people have asked us what the pile of black and white stuff is by the road, by the end of our barn. Shocker, it's not a pile of dead cows. It is actually old baleage, old brewer's grain plastic, old silage wrap, a bunch of old plastic. We finally gotten a dumpster to put it in and help clean up this mess some. But you can't take it to your normal dump, your normal landfill, so we've got to pack it in this dumpster and have it sent off for recycling. The dumpster, you can see we've already packed some of it, some old plastic barrels, and we're gonna fill this thing up and have it sent off next week.